Hello everyone, in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can print your spreadsheet. Alright, so open your spreadsheet in Google Sheet and there are three options you can select. For the first one, you can print current sheet, will be print the sheet that you open and then for the second one you can select the workbook, which is will be print all the sheet that you have on your spreadsheet. And for the last, you can print selected cell like this. So go to file and select print, and here you can select the print option, current sheet, workbook, and select the sheet. So current sheet, which is will be print the sheet that you open it, and workbook, all the sheet will be printed. And selected cell, you can print the selected cell that you select. Alright, just click next, and you can also change for the page orientation, scale, margin, and anything. So that's how you can print your spreadsheet. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.